Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isaac Lanre, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 7 tips on how you can get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. If you're new to this channel, please join the family by subscribing. Thank you very much. So the first tip is through social media. There are a lot of Facebook groups, for instance, that are about beauty and makeup, fitness, real estate, relationships, investment, and the likes of them. The people in those groups are interested in topics around the theme of the group. So, for instance, if you create videos on real estate, you want to look for Facebook groups around real estate and share valuable comments and resources. And you could also tell them that you have a video that you created on your YouTube channel that talks about this topic or that shows this area or whatever you created a video on. But don't go into those groups and spam the group and say, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is a very lame thing to do. Don't do that. All you need to do is to share valuable resources and comments, and also direct them to your YouTube channel and let them know that you have videos around that topic. Most people will click on those links and check out your videos, and if they love it, they will subscribe. Also, taking Instagram as another example, there are a lot of hashtags like hashtag fitness, hashtag investment, hashtag real estate. You want to look for hashtags that relate to the kind of videos you create. You can create a short video from your YouTube videos that you can share on Instagram and use those similar hashtags and let them know that for the full video they can check your YouTube channel. Most people will click on your YouTube link and see the kind of videos you have. If they are interested also, they will subscribe. I did something similar. I have a video that is blowing up on my channel currently. I did a tour of the Abeokuta rail station. And after I created that video, I went to Neraland and I saw some people talking about rail stations in Nigeria, and I shared my video link there and I told them that, yeah, I even did a tour of the Abeokuta rail station and here is a link. And I had a lot of people come in from Neraland to watch my video. I was checking the analytics of my YouTube channel and YouTube revealed that a lot of my new viewers and subscribers came in from Neraland. So using social media correctly can help you get your first 100 subscribers very fast. The second tip is thumbnails and titles. A lot of people know that they should have good thumbnails and titles, but they don't know why. The reason is because you need to have a very high impression click-through rate on YouTube. And what is that? Click-through rate is the number of people that see your videos on their homepage and click on the video to watch it. If that number is high, YouTube is going to see it as a thumbs up and they will keep promoting your videos to a lot of people on their homepage. But if that number is low, YouTube is going to see it as a thumbs down and they will promote your video to a lesser audience on YouTube. So it's very important that you have very attractive thumbnails and titles that will invite people to click on your videos, because if YouTube is able to promote your videos to a lot more people, there is a higher chance that you have most of those people come in and subscribe to your YouTube channel. So, but be warned, please, don't create clickbaity thumbnails or titles. That can hurt your channel in the long run, because if people click on your video and you're not delivering what you promised in the title or in the thumbnail, you're going to give a video a thumbs down, and that is still going to hurt your channel. So create attractive thumbnails and titles, and you can use free apps like Canva to create awesome thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So tip number 3 is community interactions. Don't just be like an island on your channel, not interacting with any other channel or YouTubers on the community. YouTube is an online community. It's really nice if you can go to other YouTubers, visit their channels, subscribe, share resourceful and valuable comment on their videos. Don't go there and say, hey, I have a YouTube channel also, let's do sub for sub. That is against YouTube terms and conditions. Share valuable comments, share valuable resources in the comment sections, and most of the time people will be attracted to your comments and they want to see what your channel is about, and they will eventually subscribe. And even the creators also want to support you back by subscribing to your YouTube channel. And also, don't just go there and say, hey, I have a YouTube channel, you guys come and subscribe. That is lame. Share valuable resources in the comment section, support other YouTubers, and most of the time they will support you back. So the fourth tip is collaborate. There are a lot of YouTubers like yourself who have an audience and they're creating videos around your niche. Look for such YouTubers that will be interested in collaborating with you and create videos with them that they will post on their channel and that you can also post on your channel. Their audience will get to know you, your audience will get to know them. It's a way that YouTubers support themselves. Well, you can try to reach out to well-established YouTubers, but most of the time, it's really difficult to get them on your channel. But this tip also works very well if you reach out to upcoming YouTubers like yourself and you create videos together. This can help grow both of you's channels and help you get that 100 subscribers very, very fast. So tip number 5 is create searchable videos. And what do I mean by that? There are videos that people are searching for on YouTube, and most of the time there are very few people who have created videos around those keywords. Keywords are exactly what people are searching for on YouTube. It's a very, very helpful tip for you to create videos that people are searching for, because if people search for such videos, your videos are going to come up and they're going to get to know you, and most of the time they will subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you might want to rethink. Most people just create videos that they feel like creating. As an established YouTuber, that might work, but as an upcoming YouTuber, it's important that you create videos that people are searching for, not just watch me eat potatoes. Well, if that is a keyword that people are searching for, then why not go ahead and create it? Recently, I was in Abeokuta with my family for the holidays, and I discovered that people were searching for Abeokuta rail station, and that was in the same city that I was in. What did I do? I went to the rail station and I filmed the rail station and I uploaded it on my video. That video has gotten over 6,000 views already, and I've gotten over 100 subscribers just through that video. So it's very important that you create videos that people are searching for while you're trying to grow your YouTube channel. That way you can get even more than 100 subscribers from just one video, like I did with my Abeokuta rail station video. I'm going to put a link to that video here. Tip number 6 is consistently upload videos. Most people will not subscribe to your YouTube channel from the very first video. They will need to see videos upon videos upon videos, and they'll be like, this guy, I know him, let me subscribe to his YouTube channel. Some other people will want to be sure of the kind of content that you're going to be creating consistently, if it's something they're interested in. And it takes some people more than one video to decide if they want to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Whatever it is, you just need to be uploading videos consistently. This can help you get to your first 100 subscribers on YouTube very, very fast. So tip number 7 is talk to your family, friends, and foes. Most people have over 500 contacts on their phones. What you might want to do is share a link to your YouTube channel to them and tell them what you're doing on YouTube and if they will want to support you. Most people will subscribe to your YouTube channel. I was less than 100 subscribers when I sent a broadcast message to all of my contacts on WhatsApp telling them that, hey guys, this is what I'm doing. I create videos around this. I started a YouTube channel recently, and I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I noticed that most people supported me and subscribed to my YouTube channel. So if you can get about 100 or 50 from your over 500 contacts, or I don't know how many contacts you have on your phone, that can really help you get very close or even achieve the milestone of having your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash the like button if you did, and also comment on this video. Let me know what you think, and if you also have any question, I'll respond to them. And also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I have lots of videos coming your way. See you in the next video. Bye.